In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove Google Tasks from your calendar in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're decluttering your workspace or simply prefer to manage your tasks elsewhere, this guide will help you streamline your digital calendar efficiently. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Google's home page. It's the gateway to accessing all your Google services, including Gmail and Calendar, where our tasks reside. While it may seem basic, starting here ensures a smooth transition through the entire process. Once you're on Google, you'll notice a Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. This is a crucial step because accessing your Google Calendar to manage tasks requires you to be signed into your account. Now you'll be asked to enter your email. Make sure to type in the email associated with the Google account that has the calendar you wish to edit. Once you've entered your email, proceed by entering your password on the next screen. Remember, this information helps secure your data, so never share it with others. After entering your credentials, you'll click Next to gain access to your Google account. It's a straightforward step, but patience is key. Internet speeds and system performances can vary, affecting how quickly you move to the next step. Successfully signed in? Great. Now click on the Gmail option. It might seem a bit off route, but accessing Google Calendar from Gmail is an efficient pathway, especially since many of us use Gmail daily. Inside Gmail, locate the inbox on the upper left side to ensure you're starting from a familiar place. Then look for the waffle icon, which is Google's app launcher, near the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon reveals a grid of all the Google apps available at your disposal. Among these apps, you'll find Calendar. Selecting this will take you directly to your Google Calendar page, which is precisely where we need to be to start managing tasks. Now, to actually manage tasks, you'll begin by clicking on the Create button. This could typically be used to add new events or tasks, but it's also your gateway to viewing existing tasks. Once you have the Create menu open, navigate to the task you wish to remove. Tasks can often blend in with your various appointments and reminders, so take your time to locate the specific task you're aiming to delete. After finding the task, simply click on it. You'll typically see the option to edit or modify the task, but what we're interested in is the option to delete the task. Select Delete, and just like that, the task will be removed from your Google Calendar. Deleting a task can feel final, but remember, this is all about making your digital workspace more manageable and tailored to your needs. Whether you're refining your focus or decluttering your schedule, removing tasks that no longer serve your purpose is a step in the right direction. It's worth mentioning that while this process is simple, the exact visuals and steps may vary slightly depending on any updates to Google's interface. However, the core actions remain consistent. Sign in, navigate to your calendar, and remove the tasks that you no longer need. And there you go. You've successfully removed a task from your Google Calendar. This process from start to finish can be done in a matter of minutes, leaving you more time to focus on what's truly important in your day. Remember, staying organized is key to productivity, and sometimes that means removing tasks that are no longer relevant. Feel free to repeat this process for any other tasks you wish to clear out, ensuring your calendar stays fresh and relevant to your current needs. I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your Google Calendar by removing unnecessary tasks. Keep exploring, organizing, and optimizing for a more productive digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back in for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life efficiently.